Hey everyone, welcome back to Wandering Wards. Today we're diving into a game changer for comfortable RV living, the EasyTouch RV Thermostat. This smart thermostat has revolutionized how we control our RV's climate, and we're excited to share our 2-year experience with you.
From seamless remote control to energy efficiency, we're covering all the features that make this thermostat a must-have. Stick around to see how this device can transform your RV lifestyle.
Before we get into the features of the EasyTouch RV Thermostat, let's talk about the major issue we had with our old thermostat.
Absolutely. The biggest problem was the wild temperature variances. No matter how carefully we tried to adjust that thermometer, it always seemed to be way off, and we were constantly adjusting it back and forth.
Exactly. We'd move the slider just a little bit and the temperature would either shoot way up or it would drop way too low. It was almost impossible to get a comfortable temperature inside the RV.
Yeah, and the inconsistent temperature was also causing our AC and heater to work overtime, which probably wasn't good for our energy use for the equipment's longevity.
That's when we started looking for an upgrade and came across the EasyTouch RV Thermostat. We hoped it would solve all these issues, and it certainly has. The EasyTouch RV Thermostat has been an incredible addition to our RV, providing us with numerous features that enhance our comfort and convenience. Whether we're inside the RV or miles away, you can always adjust the temperature.
And it's energy efficient, drawing low power while in operation, which is great for future off-the-grid adventures. Plus, the thermostat provides reliable performance with free feature updates through Wi-Fi, enabling us to stay up to date with the latest improvements.
The installation process was straightforward, but connecting the wires to the back of the thermostat required a little bit of precision just due to the small wires and the small space you're working in.
This made it challenging because my husband has large hands, but the installation was straightforward with no additional electronics required. It was a little challenging due to the small wires and the tight space to make the connections. We just swapped out the old thermostat with hand tools and it was good to go. It was worth it for the convenience it provides.
Over the past 2 years, the EasyTouch RV Thermostat, that's a mouthful, has proven to be reliable and efficient addition to our RV.
From the start, we noticed how consistent the temperature control is. No more wild variances like we had with the old thermostat.
The remote control feature is particularly useful during extreme weather conditions. We can pre-cool the RV on a hot summer days or heat it up before arriving in the winter, making it comfortable for the moment we step in.
The touchscreen has held up while remaining responsive and easy to navigate. Even in low light, the display is bright and clear. We also benefit from the free feature updates through Wi-Fi. These updates have kept our thermostat functioning at its best without any additional cost.
The scheduling feature has been a game changer for us also, allowing us to set temperature adjustments based on our daily routine. It's nice to wake up to a perfectly heated RV on a chilly morning.
Overall, the EasyTouch RV Thermostat has not only solved our initial problems, but also enhanced our overall RV experience. It's been a worthwhile investment that we highly recommend.
Yeah, in summary, its consistent performance, ease of use, and advanced features have made it an indispensable part of our RV setup. So if I had to do it all over again, I would have purchased and installed this thermostat upgrade on day one of owning our RV. Easily one of the top upgrades we've done to our RV.
I agree. The EasyTouch RV Thermostat has made our RV experience so much more comfortable and convenient. We're no longer frustrated with inconsistent temperatures, and the remote control feature is a game changer.
If you made it this far, then hit that like button for us, and while you're at it, subscribe too for more RV tips and adventures.
See you in the next video.